Error 901 in League of Legends is a temporary restriction placed on your account, usually due to negative behavior like toxic chat. It's not a technical bug, but rather a consequence of violating Riot Games' terms of service. This means you've likely been reported for abusive language, harassment, or excessive negativity. When you encounter Error 901, you'll be muted in all chat channels during the game or matchmaking. The duration of the restriction varies depending on the severity of the offense, ranging from a few minutes to several days. This system, integrated with Riot's honor system, aims to promote a more positive gaming environment and encourage players to reflect on their behavior. Remember to avoid toxicity, adhere to community guidelines, and if you believe the restriction was unfair, you can appeal through Riot support. Since Error 901 stems from account-based restrictions, technical workarounds are ineffective. Your best course of action is preventive. Maintain positive conduct in-game. If you've already received the error, the immediate fix is to wait out the restriction period. Reflect on your recent in-game interactions and identify any behaviors that may have triggered the penalty. Remember, Riot systems now include toxicity alerts that warn you before a restriction is imposed. If you believe the restriction was wrongly applied, submit an appeal to Riot support. Provide any relevant context or evidence that supports your case. Riot's moderation system is continuously evolving with AI-driven detection, so demonstrating a commitment to positive behavior is crucial for future interactions and avoiding further penalties.